Good day, guys. Give me 5 minutes and I'll show you how to ride the wave of institutional adoption in crypto, turning global momentum into personal conviction that builds unbreakable success. A must if you're committed to thriving amid this cryptocurrency blockchain transformation that's happening right now. Welcome to Motivational Crypto on Billy Goat Tales. I'm Rich Smothers, a.k.a. Crypto Billy, and today we tackle the institutional tides sweeping through cryptocurrency. Major players like banks and hedge funds are pouring trillions into Bitcoin ETFs, into altcoins, and blockchain infrastructure, stabilizing markets and driving adoption worldwide. Yet, amid this momentum, personal motivation and responsibility have to be your anchors. Institutions bring legitimacy, but they don't hand you success. You must forge it. Trends show spot ETFs exploding and corporate treasuries allocating to crypto, yet volatility remains. Without conviction, you'll be swept away, guys. Think of it as navigating a vast ocean. The tides are powerful, but the skilled sailor charts his course with inner resolve. Build persistence by studying institutional moves. Analyze reports from firms like BlackRock or Fidelity. Not to copy blindly, but to inform your strategy. Responsibility demands taking action. Diversify thoughtfully, honoring the rarity of opportunities that align with your long-term vision. Cultivate habits like weekly reviews of your global news, fostering emotional intelligence to stay calm when headlines scream panic. We just saw Bitcoin dipping down to $80,000 and just within a week popping back up to 94. What did you do during that time frame? Do you have a plan? Is it part of your big picture plan? Is it part of your character? This is where Billy Goat Tales can help you. Motivation arises from recognizing true wealth in conviction. Unshakable faith in your path, even when the tides turn. And love the community aspect. Join forums where institutional insights are shared, building honor through mutual support. We at Billy Goat Tales, we have lots of channels that are part of the Billy Goat Tales family. This is where you need to get your information in crypto. From my vantage point as a guide in this space, those who succeed harness momentum while staying true to themselves. They persist through corrections, emerging stronger. So, act now. Select one institutional tracked asset, like a regulated stablecoin, and commit to holding with conviction for a set period to get involved. Watch your discipline grow. Forge your path amid the tides, onward and upward. All right, guys, if this got you interested, please hit the like button, subscribe, and drop a comment for me. Tell me what you want to hear on Billy Goat Tales. It will really help us. Thank you. Have a great day.